Hello everyone. Dear students, today we'll see this video how to go for online test with the help of a school website. So for that especially you have to log in on the website. So you can select any browser but try for the Google Chrome, that will be better. So for the Google Chrome we have to go to this option. You can see here Chrome. As I click on the Chrome, you will be seeing a school website. The school website is www.sjtkotma.com. As it opens this view, you have to close this option and go to this red dot option. You can see here that where the school name is written, on the right side there is a 3 dot, and just scroll up. When you're scrolling up, you will see here there will be one login as a student. As I click on login student, it will open this window. This is the login window for students. Here we have to type our user ID and password. Now you must have seen that we have typed the ID, and as I click on login, if this kind of error shows, that means we have some ID problem. So again we will check it out. After login, we will see this is the home screen of our school app with the help of a school website. Now we are using this on the school website. So here you can see Piyush's name is written. Secondary, you can check your profile is correct. Now we will go to LMS option, and in the LMS option we have to select my test. As we click on my test, you can see here that 2 tests are shown here, upcoming test. 2 tests are there. Test number 1 is at 4 o'clock for the test demo that all the students will be participating. Now you will see here one more test demo I have created at 12:30 to 12:45. You can see here the topic is written serial number 2. Test name is exam name demo test 2. Subject is English, and who is going to conduct this exam, that name. Next, timing is given and date is given. You can see the date 2nd August. Starting time is 12:30 p.m. and the end time is 12:45 p.m. After that it is written status upcoming test, and after that it is written begin. So you will be clicking on the begin test, but when the 12:30 time comes, that time only. So you have to wait 6 minutes, because right now the time is 12:24 and the test will begin at 12:30. So we will be waiting for the time. Student, you must be seeing that the time is already there now, 12:29. Now you must be thinking automatically this exam should start and show as a live exam. But we have to wait till 30. So if this screen is not changing automatically, there are 2 options to do. First, you can touch on the screen and just pull it down. You can see that on the top one arrow mark had come. It will refresh the screen. Or you can go to this 3 dot and you will see that corner there is one refresh button. So now suppose the time as it comes 30, we will refresh the screen and see the changes. So we'll wait here just for few seconds. And now I am refreshing. You can see the time is 12:30 and I just click on refresh. You see now in the second serial number it is written exam live, and on the first it is written upcoming because the time is 4 o'clock and now the time is 12:30. As I click on begin test, you see here Piyush Milanika is the child name, time is running, 15 minutes is the time on the top. Right side it is written timing, left side it is written what test it is today. Now photo is blank since the photo was not put up, that's why it is not seen. Name is given, class is given, and next you can see how many number of questions are there. Suppose the number of questions are 5, so 5 it is written. If it is 10, it will be 10. What is the time duration for the examination? Time duration is 15 minutes. Now, maximum marks. How many maximum marks are there? The maximum mark is 10. Each question is of how much marks it is? Each question is of only 2 marks. So, you will see there, if you have answered, color will change. If you have not answered, you will see there is it is written 5. And where you have not answered, it is written 0. So now I will go and see the question number 1. Battle of Plassey was fought in. Now, what will be the answer? There are 4 options. We can select any one. Now, whichever option we will be selecting, that will be the answered by you. You can see on the top, time is running. Suppose I answer as A. You will see 1 answered is given and 4 question is not answered. Now, if I am thinking I must see the next question, I will see the next question here. Now, you can see the question number 2 is also written there. And what should be the correct answer? Suppose that I thought answer number C. So, again you can see this is the 2 answers given. Now I thought go for next question. And suppose that I don't know this answer. So I can skip and go for the question number 4. Now you can see we are standing in question number 4 and we have answered 2 answers and not answer is 3. Now suppose that I thought this is the 4th question and I know the answer. So I will click on the answer. You can see in this window. Question number 1 is answered. Question number 2 is answered. Question number 3 is not answered. Question number 4 is answered. And 5 is not answered. Now, if still you are thinking, I want to submit, I can submit also. If you are thinking, no, 5th answer question, let me see if I know the answer correct. Suppose that I gave the answer this. And I have answered 4 but I don't know the 3rd answer. So if still I am thinking I want to submit my answers. So just I'll click on submit. You see it is asking, are you sure you want to submit the examination? Yes. As I click on that, this will show exam submitted successfully. View result on the MIS after examination. It is very clearly written. The time is given for the examination. We have to wait for it. So when 12:45, 15-minute exam is there, still 10 minutes are there. So you have to wait for the time and then only you will get your result. Suppose you are not able to get the result, just refresh it after the timing and you will be getting the result. You see here, your live test is going on. If you again click on begin, you can go for it. It doesn't mean you have answered. You can see 4 already you have answered. Now still you know the answer. Answer number 3 also, if you want to answer, suppose the answer is D. And now I want to submit. Again it is asking same thing. It is very clearly, that means suppose the time is given 15 minutes and you don't know 5 answers and you have by mistake submitted, there is no problem at all. You can come back again and resubmit it again. But the time goes off, suppose 12:45 it becomes, and after that you thought let me complete again, then we are very sorry for it, you cannot get any details. The test timing over means you cannot get the test. So this is the way you can give your exam. Now we will wait for result to come. Now you can see the time is now 12:36. We have to wait 9 more minutes to see the result. So we will be waiting now. Here we can see the time is 12:44 and still 1 minute left out for the result. Or we can say to exam get over. And still you can see the test begin is highlighting. As the time gets over, we will see here what changes come. If the change is not seen, again we will do the same process. We'll touch on the screen and refresh it, or we'll go to this 3 dot and refresh the button. Still it is not coming. Now you can see it is showing result awaited. That means the result will be coming soon. So we have to wait for 5 minutes, or just we can say 2 minutes. Automatically result will show on the window. Now we'll refresh and see what happens. Now you can see it was showing result awaited. Now we can see here view result. As we click on view result, you can see here complete result detail with the question and answer is given here. And total marks was 10, obtain is 10, 100%. Number of question was 5 and the correct answer is given all the 5. So this is the way we can give the online test for all the subject wise. You must have seen the timetable is already published on the WhatsApp group. You can check even in the website also. Or dear students, in the first video what I have said, that means you can log in a 2 different method. First, you can use Google browser, that is called Chrome. Secondary, we have a school app. You can log in with the school app also, and both the things makes the common screen. So suppose that if you are finding any problem in the app also, then don't get worry about it. You can continuously work on the web browser with the help of our school website. The school website is www.sjtkotma.com. With this, you can go to login option and you can give the test. Secondary, you can open the school app, and with the help of school app also you can give. The devices like computer, mobile or laptop, any you can use. If you want to see in a proper screen, if you are not comfortable with mobile, you can log in with your laptop or desktop computer also. So thank you so much for your time.